wanna live a day as a blonde. I look like Jessica Chastain. I don't get out much these days. Convince myself that I've been talking too much. Picture hours of replay. It's pretty lonely just writing a song when you know your friends are all moving away. And I just wanna see a picture of mom from when she was my age. Was she hard to get as everyone thought? Was she happier in those days? Sleeping, getting paid, subways running late, leaving the rest up to question just to find that you ain't got it made. Weather ain't that bad, false and take her back, leave all the rest up to question just to find you hardly ever laugh. It ain't much of a life, but maybe